for the safety of people and property, for the protection of assets and inventory, for supporting families and communities. This is DMP. Headquartered in Springfield, Missouri, DMP is a leading privately held manufacturer of intrusion, fire, video, and access control products for commercial, retail, financial, residential, and government applications. DMP provides customer-driven products through listening, anticipating needs, and responding quickly with innovative solutions that work.
I'd grown up in the alarm company, and it wasn't long before we decided that we could build products that fit us as a central station better than what we were buying right then. The key thing that we did was we started putting features into the product that would cut recurring costs. And then later on, my father started selling them to our friends, and it continued on, and then we split off the company into just manufacturing and continued on from there.
DMP embodies quality first, quality fast by testing 100% of products before they leave the facilities. DMP is innovative, combining powerful software with reliable hardware. Supervised two-way wireless cuts down installation time and enhances flexibility, while the virtual keypad app integrates mobile devices for remote system management. And advanced analytics turn ordinary video cameras into sophisticated motion detectors. DMP is committed to dealers by providing excellent US-based customer service, technical and marketing support, and training. But just as important as the products DMP builds are the values DMP holds.
We insist on the integrity of our people and our products. It's not just the products, it's not just the people. We want the combination of both. The values are the guidelines every day. Those are what help you make a decision when there's not a rule, there's not already a process. You can take those values, and if you'll make your decisions according to those values, it'll be right.
DMP products are designed, engineered, and assembled in the US by dedicated professionals who take pride in building the best. You can always expect a consistent, forward-thinking approach from DMP, a company that is still owned and operated by the family who founded it in 1975. DMP means quality first, quality fast.